The loud noise of frogs during the rainy season is familiar to most of us, and the typical calls that we hear from frogs are called as advertisement calls, which means the male frogs advertising themselves as potential partners, hoping that female frog will like their song and come their way for breeding. Frogs like moist and humid weather conditions. So, rain creates the optimal conditions for the females to lay the eggs in the fresh ponds. Some frogs call in the water, some on nearby rocks or the bank, and others in trees or on the ground. Male frogs want to make sure that they attract the females of their own species. So each frog species in an area has a different sounding call. Even female frogs have ears which will receive the specific call of their own species so that they can locate a male of their own species in a chorus of multiple noisy males. They can also breed in some other seasons. Stay tuned.